Hello, my name is Noah Weber, and I will be giving you a tutorial on using Skype for learning. Let's first talk about what Skype is. Skype is a proprietary voice-over internet protocol service and software application, also known as VoIP. Skype is a hybrid software, which means it's peer-to-peer or client-to-server. It's located in Luxembourg and was acquired by Microsoft in May of 2011. Skype is used by over 663 million users, and at peak times there has been known to be 40 million users online at once. So what do you need to use for Skype? You need a internet access, LAN or Wi-Fi, computer, laptop, or mobile device that has access to the internet, a headset, which I'm wearing right now, or a microphone and webcam. Additional hardware components can include a TV, Blu-ray player, or PlayStation 3. I found this very interesting. So basically, with Skype, it's becoming so popular now that all new technologies are now embedding with Skype. Skype features voice calling. You can call anyone else on Skype for free, anywhere in the world. You can call mobile phones and landlines, and you can also conduct group calls. You can get into a group of people, and that can actually be up to 100 people at once, if you choose to. Video calls, user-to-user video calls. You can also get into group video, which you can have a maximum of 10 users, and this is really great for collaboration or in a small group setting. Skype messaging. So not only can you audio and do visual calls, but you can also reply by instant messaging using your keyboard. You can also send text messages, so you could deliver a picture, audio, even a video. And what I found very interesting was an application called GroupMe. It's free, and users can coordinate with their collaboration group. It kind of resembles Twitter in a way. It's very fast, and it's a reply all email feature. Skype sharing. With Skype, you can send files such as Word, PowerPoints, PDF, photos, videos into your Skype chat, whether that be audio, visual, or just instant messaging. You can also screen share. So you share your computer screen with another user that you're talking to. This is extremely efficient. For example, say I only have PowerPoint on my computer and my partner doesn't. Well, myself and my partner, we can get together and step by step we can help each other out to create and express our best PowerPoint presentation possible. Also, you can do group screen sharing. Through a group video call, users can focus on a particular concept or image. And the all-popular Facebook has a Skype feature also. So with Facebook, you can also go into an educational group, and maybe you can then get a contact name through Skype through Facebook, so you'll be intertwined. And Skype is also available on Wi-Fi. You have access to over 1 million public hotspots worldwide. So let's go ahead and explore Skype itself. I've already logged in for your convenience. And to the left, you see that I have my contacts. These are the ones that are being highlighted. You can add a contact, you can search their name, or you can create a group. So right here on this group, all you need to do, as it says, just drag a contact in. I'm going to drag Nathan and John and Luann. So as a Skype profile, you don't necessarily need a picture or an avatar, but we see Nathan has an actual picture and John has decided an avatar to represent himself. So with this small group, we can go ahead and you can label it. So I'll just label it educational group. You can favorite it by clicking onto the star. It just popped up over here. And if I want to, say we all decided on a time over the weekend to meet and discuss our project or activity. I could initiate the video call by highlighting all three by holding down control and left clicking, and then I would go ahead and I could click on video call or call group. It's up to you. Now, if myself and John were only working together, I could go ahead and right click. If I needed to call him video call, I could send him an instant message. I could also send him a file. We talked about that previously. So these are all great features. And also you can see at the very bottom right here by my cursor, there is 28,706,000 people on right now. So Skype is a very well-known and widely available program throughout the world. What I'd like to do now is I would like to show you how to create a Skype lesson. So as an educator, you could go ahead and go to educational Skype feature, and I have the title right here. I just labeled it nutrition, and you can go ahead and choose a file for a picture. You can give a description. Mine was to discuss how to solve the problems of obesity in America. As you scroll down, this is where you can add your images, photos, video, or your resources. And you can easily just click on choose file and upload into this box here. Step number 3. Now as a teacher, if you're looking for a guest speaker, another teacher, or a certain class, you can just click on there. What language works best for you? We have a lot of languages to choose from. And what age group is best? And then what category? I designed it food and nutrition. Availability, if you ever want it to expire, you can say yes. If you want to leave it on this forum forever, then click no. When you're ready to publish your lesson plan, you just click save and publish. Another great feature about Skype is you can actually go on to, let's say, a virtual field trip, or you can be a member, an audience member, into a guest speaker. So what I was able to find is if I was in an English literacy class, and let's say we just got done reading the book by Charlie Higson. Well, it's so convenient because this upcoming Tuesday, he is doing a Halloween Skype special. So you can see here the date, the time, the duration, and the age appropriateness for his Skype special. He has a picture of himself and of the book, and the book will become a film eventually. So he has a nice little YouTube video to show. And these are all the people who are going to be taking part. All you need to do is go ahead and click on this button right here to register and take part in it. And what will happen is they'll give you reminders of when it is and if anything has changed. With Skype, you can also interact with another class. There have been numerous commercials with Skype and Microsoft of collaborating with another language, or you could be pen pals all through audio or visual, and it's really, really interesting. Skype really draws in different learning styles, audio, visual. It's very engaging, and students just have a great time with it. The educational benefits of Skype, the accessibility is just phenomenal. It can be at the local stage, state, national, international, cost, which is free, which is phenomenal. Educational partners, we saw Penguin Books, NASA, National Museums, and even the New York Philharmonic. So I talked briefly about how Microsoft acquired Skype. Well, with Microsoft, they've been able to draw in a lot of educational partners. I want to upload lessons, and this is a really good thing, and it's only going to get better. Software can be used inside and outside of the classroom setting. So you could, again, your class could be a guest, an audience member and a guest speaker, or you could assign a great virtual field trip over the weekend for students to take part in and respond back to you. It also engages users in various multimedia technology platforms. So with Skype, I hope that you learned from this tutorial. I hope that you'll create a lesson or have your class engage as into guest speakers or a virtual field trip and just interact with others through different cultures, different countries. It's all available at your fingertips. So thank you very much and have a great day.